everyone, and welcome to Murray's Industry 4.0 show. And as always, I am your host, Brad Waid. It is so good to have you joining us today. Thank you as we explore another area of Industry 4.0. And in today's episode, we're going to take a look at digital twin, also known as simulation. So let's take a look at what digital twin is. What it is it's the unification between the physical and the virtual worlds. Now, digital twins have been around, for a few years now, but now they're just coming around to where they're very cost effective and very beneficial because of the technology and how we use it. So digital twin is the digital copy of something, and it can be something as small as an individual part, or it could be something as big as a giant building, manufacturing plant, or a system. So let's take a look at just some examples of digital twins. So here's one. This is, just a robotic arm. So that's one example of a digital twin. Here's an airplane. Here's an oil rig. And as you see those, you start to see that a digital twin really is just a digital copy of a physical space. And we're going to take a look at some examples here in a minute really being used. But now, how does using a digital twin or simulation benefit you? What are the benefits to doing it? Well, one is think about training. You can build a digital twin of something, and somebody can use that to learn how to operate something, learn how to work on something. Now, that is great when it's, especially something like it's a big piece of equipment, or it's something dangerous, a dangerous environment, or it's somewhere so far away. Think about a plant that's a long ways away, or a piece of equipment, but the person you need to train is here. Well, you can take CAD data, you can take other information, and you can build a digital twin. And all of a sudden, boom, you have that digital twin right here in front of you. So somebody can learn how to operate that, work on the whole training process right there and get started. So training is a great way to think about using a digital twin. Another one is think about how a system operates. An engineer can look at how a system operates. One of the things you can think about is, let's say you are tasked with, and we'll look at this digital twin right here. This is a wind turbine. What if you are tasked with the idea or the understanding of how does it operate more efficiently? How can we show some improvements? Well, now you have this digital twin, and we'll just use the wind turbine. Well, now thinking about it, you can simulate, and that's where the other word comes in, simulation. You can simulate the environment. You can change wind speed, change wind direction. Well, now also what you can do, unlike what you can't do with the physical being, like now you can work with different angles on the blades, the lengths of the blade, the angles of the blade, the rotation of the entire piece of equipment. That's another example how a digital twin and simulation can help you. And this improves efficiency in the entire process. Another thing, and we're going to look at this in just a moment, is also understanding space and utilizing space and operations. Now, speaking of that, let's take a look at this example of a digital twin and how GE Aviation used digital twins for something that they're doing. So let's take a look.
"387 tons of metal soaring through the clouds at 590 miles an hour. A century ago, this would have been considered extraordinary. Today, merely ordinary. It's time for more extraordinary. A new period of unprecedented productivity, predictability, and possibility. A digital industrial revolution that GE Aviation is uniquely poised to lead. We know what it means to build things, bring new technologies into the world, design with purpose. And now we're building a digital company inside an industrial company, leveraging the talents and insights of more than 300,000 employees across all of GE's businesses. Bringing together brilliant machines and best-in-class analytics to help our customers solve their toughest challenges. That's why we developed Predix, a an open, complementary platform that combines and analyzes the massive amounts of data our industry generates every day, connecting engines, aircraft, and operations, giving customers greater insight into their business, letting them create tailored apps that help them work smarter. At GE, we're already using data insights to drive our own efficiencies, embracing agile development and a fast-works mindset, integrating rapid prototyping and intelligent supply chains in our brilliant factories, delivering new products with confidence and speed. We're creating a culture of simplification, where outcomes matter, and success depends on true collaboration with our customers. We insist on being more than we are today, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and reimagining the way the world flies. Today, the digital industrial era begins.
All right. Wasn't that incredible? I love how they are using digital technology, digital twins, and simulation to create those environments for people to understand what they're doing, duplicating and replicating that plant and other things that they're doing. A lot of great information in there about their sensors and the whole IoT and being connected. And you heard about the benefits that they are seeing. So just to recap for digital twin and simulation, here are some of the benefits, and you saw some right there, but some of the benefits are improved worker safety, thinking about training or when something is dangerous, lots of financial savings, benefits in operation efficiency. You can modify the digital world and run simulations. Those are just 3 examples how using and maximizing digital twins and simulation can benefit you in your industry. I know we showed you some examples in, energy, in automotive, in aviation, in manufacturing. Really, it can be in any industry, in any vertical. If you have any questions about how you can start to incorporate digital twins or simulation in your industry, in your business, in your vertical, please contact us today. Please stop by Merari, our sponsor. Stop by their website. You can find that website and them at merari.us. And again, as always, I am your host, Brad Waid. Please get connected with me on social media. If you have any questions for me or about the show, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you and keep this conversation going. All right, well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining me on Merari's Industry 4.0 show. If you have any questions, please let us know. Stay connected, everybody. Stay safe. And let's keep the conversation going. Have a great day, everyone.